Okay, so let's look now at how to add a image into our Google form. So to add an image, you select the button there, and you have the option to upload an image if you have one. You can take a snapshot with your camera. If you have the URL to the image, if it's online, you can put the URL in here. You can choose an image from one of your albums if you have albums in Google+. You can choose from Google Drive if you have them there. And then you can search Google to find the images as well, if you don't already have one. So in this case, I'll just choose an image. We'll choose this classroom image. So you can see it lets us upload that image. We can add a title by typing in the image title right here if we want to. And also, we can duplicate the image. We can delete it if we want to remove it. And the options we have are to show hover text. So we can write text here. So if someone hovers over this image, it'll show whatever is in this hover text. In this short video, we looked at how to add an image to a Google form. Make sure to check out our other videos in the series on using Google Forms.